So many things where my eyes don't see. It be like say we don't get the government, no even self-employment. We never see any development. Now life we see today, nobody knows tomorrow. Now wetin we do today, now wetin we.
What? Not be juju be that. What? Phone cash? You know you can be prosecuted for that.